Hello and welcome one and all. Today we are going to set up a Python development environment for data science on Windows. We will install Anaconda distribution. It is the most popular data science platform. We can download it from anaconda.com. From the product drop-down list, we will select the individual edition. This is the free version for individual use. And let's click the download button to begin downloading. You can sign up for the Nucleus community for getting started material and for news and articles. I'll move this out of the way and give a few seconds for the download to complete. Once the download is complete, we can double-click the exe file to launch the installer. Click Next to continue and accept the agreement, and I'll accept the default for current user. Let's make note of the install location. I'll click Next to proceed. Let's leave the default checked and we will later add Python to environment variable. Click Next to install the Anaconda distribution. Installation will take a few minutes, so give it some time and I'll come back once this completes. I'll click Next and click on Finish to complete the install. We get an installation success message and web resources which you can check out on your own time. I'll open up a folder explorer and navigate to install folder for Anaconda. We made note of this during the installation, so we will add this folder along with scripts and the library folder to the system path variable. In the Windows search bar, search for Edit the System Environment Variables. Click the Environment Variables and click on Path under System. We will click on New and paste in the Anaconda install folder. Add a second variable for script folders. And third and the last one for library/bin folder. Make sure these variables are added to path and spelling and case is correct. I'll click OK on all the environment variable screens to apply the changes. Let's test the Python install via command prompt. We can locate the install location by where command. Let's try and install pandas library with pip install pandas command. There is a warning and it's not able to connect to the URL. We will need to restart our machine and test the environment variable settings again. Okay, my PC is up. Let's try it again. I will enter Python in command prompt. It does pick up the Python interpreter. Let's issue a simple print command to check if it is working. I will quit Python and try and install a library with pip command. This time around I'll try matplotlib. It is a visualization library. It is already installed, but this time around there are no warning or fetch errors. I'll try to install pandas again with pip, and this time around command executes successfully without any warning or errors. So our Python interpreter is working as expected. Let's create a folder to house our Python code. I'll create it on desktop and call it notebooks. We will save our code in this folder. I will open the folder and copy the folder location. Back in the command prompt, I'll clear it with the cls command and change directory to the notebook folder. I will type Jupyter Notebook in the command prompt and hit enter. This will launch the Jupyter Notebook platform. It will prompt us to select a browser. I'll leave the selection to Edge, but you can switch it to your favorite browser. I'll click on the new dropdown and select Python 3 Notebook. This will create a new notebook. I'll double-click the title to name this notebook. It is a good practice to name your notebooks so you can find them easily later on. Our notebook is ready and we can start coding. Let's see how we stop the Jupyter environment. Bring up the command prompt and hold Ctrl+C key. You may have to repeat this a couple of times. This will shut down the server and you'll be seeing a shutting down message in the command prompt. Let's close the warning and the notebook. I will navigate to the notebook folder on the desktop, and here we should see our newly created notebook. Let's say we want to resume our work. We will open command prompt and make sure to change the directory to the same folder and run the Jupyter Notebook command. This will launch the Jupyter Server and we can click on our notebook to launch it. This is how we can set up a Python environment for data science. This is all for now, but in the next video, I'll cover Pandas library. It is the basic building block for data analysis and data science applications. I hope you find this session useful. If you like the content, be sure to like and subscribe. Post any questions that you may have. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.